This is the Asus Zenfone 10 best smartphone ever. So we are doing unboxing. The unboxing is very much similar, documentation, SIM card tools, and there is a bumper case, a USB type C to C cable and 30 watt hypercharge adapter. And here it is. It looks very much similar as Zenfone 9. So definitely it is an update. So there is an update in height. A Zenfone 10 this year is slightly thicker than Zenfone 9, little bit heavier. And guys, we have 5 colors in Zenfone 10 this year: red, black, light blue, white and green. Polycarbonate on black, which I really like. It does not feel like a plastic, little bit grip in hand. Both have aluminum frame, Zenfone 9 and Zenfone 10. See the differences. Zenfone 9 have the ring on the cameras and Zenfone 10 do not have. Although both have the same cameras, main camera 50 megapixel and 32 megapixel selfie. Now let's take a look at display. So display is very much similar again. So it has 5.9 inches AMOLED with 144 Hz refresh rate, 1100 nits for excellent color production, and it is fine when you are outdoors. In some have the more than 1100 nits. Gorilla Glass Victus in the screen, really good. Top bezel and bottom bezel are exactly the same. Guys, Zenfone 10 has 8K video resolution, 8GB and 16GB RAM and 256GB storage. What I have found is about the processor. So it has Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 2, as Zenfone 9 have a Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1 chipset. So the Zenfone 10 have the same size battery as the Zenfone 9, which is impressive. 4300 mAh battery. Official price is 56GB storage is about $399.